So hello guys, welcome to our channel Doctor on Wheels, and today I'm with a product which is actually for something huge, which will be on this channel around 2 to 3 months from now. So just stay tuned for it. And cutting the crap out, let's unbox this GoPro Hero 9 action cam. So here's the product, GoPro Hero 9 Black. It is the Indian version. You can see the logo here, and I have already took out that from the Amazon package because previously the previous order which was delivered had an open seal. So if you're paying around 45k and then you're getting something which has open seal, you're not getting buying a refurbished product, right? So yeah, unbox it. So here we get join the tribe card, 1 year warranty from Creative Peripherals, and finally the box, the seal. And this is the best part of Hero 9. It provides with a safety box with itself, and here it is. We have all these manuals, subscribe to GoPro, which does not work in India, stickers and all, and I guess manuals and FAQs or manuals maybe. A USB charger, Type C, cable, not the charger, battery, helmet mount, and the helmet's Botu actually is the helmet mount, and a single pop clip. And finally comes the camera. And the previous one had nothing on it, with all dust and all, so obviously have to exchange it. Okay, where's the seals of from? What the heck, man? It's not coming off. Okay, here it is. And this, I don't guess it has a battery inside. I guess that's the only battery it has. Okay, so here's a clip and the battery. Wait a minute. Oops. And here it goes, I guess. Yeah, it goes. Okay, and the power button. कैसे स्टार्ट होता है भाई? Okay, here it starts. So the Hero Black logo on, and the branding is there. Okay, English, I guess. Okay, legal stuff. By using this GoPro, I agree to the terms of use terms of use available at gopro.com.legal. Do you have that much time? I don't. Agree. Then captures the location where your videos and photos are taken. Does this has a GPS inbuilt or what? The GoPro app. I will be soon installing this up. Leave your camera on and follow the app instruction. Install GoPro app on your phone to finish setup. Okay. Oops, my phone is there. So I don't guess I will be doing that right now. And and here's the camera name along with the password, which I guess you don't require to know. So I guess that's it for today. And man, look at the logo, so mesmerizing. And here are the instructions which I have to follow to continue the review. So I guess I will continue the review on my next video. And I bought it from Aprio Retail on Amazon. You can many more sellers are there. Tech World, Tech Retail, New York Plaza, Worldwide Store, World Bazaar. Everyone giving pricing the product at their own price. And I bought it for around 45k. Aprio Retail is quite good. While 360gadgets.com is offering it at 49.5k. If you don't you want to be relaxed, then you can fully relaxed that you have got the right product, you can go for there, or you can buy your trusted retailer. So yeah, this is it. And the accessories to these are not available yet in the Indian market. Will be available sooner maybe, else I would have reviewed it right here itself. So hope for the best and wish the accessories are here, because I heard that the mic is not working, mic adapter is not working, the previous mic adapters which worked with Hero 7, 8 and 9. So that's thing of concern. And you have to buy a media mod for it, though there are news that we will get an update by which those adapters will be available, you can use it and all. So yeah, we'll stay tuned, and thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, please do give a thumbs up, do subscribe and share it with your family and friends. And if you want the review video, do stay tuned. Thank you.